What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Airmoto Smart Air Pump. Just a heads up, they did supply me with this pump. It was actually sitting in my cart on Amazon on my wish list for shit I needed for this summer. Just hadn't got around to purchasing it yet, so it actually worked out in my favor. So let's roll the intro and let's get started. Alright, so let's open this up and see what all comes in the box. We have the user manual. We have the pump itself. And we have a storage bag, charging cable. It's USB-C, so that's a bonus because it's the same as your most Android phones. And we have attachments. We have a needle for inflating basketballs, soccer balls. I want to guess this can be used for an air mattress, so that'll come in handy. Or like a beach ball as well. Let's put all that stuff right back in there before I lose pieces. Nothing's in the bag. All right, so the thing I liked about the Airmoto over a few of the others that I found on Amazon was the storage for the hose. All you got to do is push on this little button and the hose pops right out. Screws on. Done using it. Take it back off. And it's put away again. The others, it just has to be in the bag. Some of them were permanent mounted. Let's power it on. There we go, and it's set at 38. All right, so the battery is full. I'm hoping I can rotate this. See, it's got 5 different presets you can save yourself. You got automobile, motorcycle, bicycle, sporting equipment, and custom. So cars preset at 35, motorcycle set at 40. We'll go ahead and take that down to 38 because that's right between the middle on my bike. That's right in the middle because the front is 36, the rear is 40. So we'll put it at 38 and that will be good enough. And we'll try this out here on the bike here in a minute. It does come with a pretty bright light. Hold the top button. That'll help you at night if you're stuck on the side of the road. Hold it again to turn it off. And That your power on button is also your start inflating button. Bottom button's to cycle through your modes. Here, let's do the satisfying part of this. Bottom button cycles through your different presets. Of course, your plus and minus, increase or decrease your temperature. All right, so I wanted a real world scenario. So I've actually let the air out of the bike. I've got it down to 10, 15 pounds, somewhere in that general area. Because when this is going to come the most handy is if you're going down the road and all of a sudden you can feel your bike getting just a little bit loose. You pull over and you find you've got a nail stuck in a tire. I've been fortunate. The only time I found a nail stuck in a tire was sitting at a gas station. I was able to correct from there and go on because I didn't have something like this. But I've got it down to, well, whenever we plug this in, it'll show how much air is in it. So let's go ahead and get it turned on. Right at the 10-pound mark. I don't know how well you all can see that. So got it turned on, we've got it hooked up. Let's start inflate. Well, hold on. Let's start a timer. Go ahead and put the phone in airplane mode so nothing interrupts us. And as you can see, it automatically shuts off when it reaches the targeted air pressure. So, all right, we'll disconnect from the bike and we will move over to my wife's van and give it a shot. All right, now before we get down the floor to check the wife's tire pressure, let's go check out the door jamb, see what the recommended pressure is. Recommended pressure is Dang it, just seen it, 36 PSI. So let's get down the floor. We will move this over to car. Adjust it up to 36. Oh, and one of the awesome things about this is you don't have to sit here and turn this whole unit to get to screw onto a tire. Oh. We are at 33 PSI, so she's a little bit low. Let's start airing it up. And again, it stops whenever it gets to the targeted air pressure, so you don't have to worry about overfilling it. You don't have to worry about stopping to check it. Every once in a while, make sure you're not overinflating or how much you have left to go. So this thing is going to be a little bit of a lifesaver. Now, I would say that I'm going to put this in the wife's glove box. That way, if you know, she has a low tire, she can air it up, but I'm gonna be the one to do it anyways. So I'll just leave it in the saddlebag of the bike, and that's where she'll live at. I'm gonna make sure I recharge it first, because we probably used, oh, it doesn't give you an actual percentage on the battery. Oh, and one other thing on the functions that I forgot to mention. Is if you hold that top button down, that's what turns on the flashlight. Hold it down again to turn it off. If you just momentarily press it, it cycles through PSI, kPa, kilograms, and did I say PSI? Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one.